Hey stars, welcome back to the channel. This glossy nude lip combo is screaming, I am a baddie, I am soft, and I am on point. And I want to share with you how you can achieve this. So first thing first, I am going to wipe off any excess lip product that I have on my lips. Please use a wipe to do this. I don't know why I did not have my makeup wipe next to me. Then I'm going to grab a very deep brown lip pencil. This is not black. This is actually a very dark brown, just close to black, but it's actually not black. Lip liner slash eyeliner. And then you can use a gel liner to do this also. Then I'm going to be carefully outlining my lips. I'll outline my lower lips first, and then I'll outline my my upper lips. Please make sure that you are applying this with a thick hand. Yeah, you want to make sure that this lip pencil is actually showing like really bold. Then you can go in with your hands or your makeup brush to clean off any mess that you must have made. Then you are going to smudge. Do not smudge it too much, just smudge a little, smack a little of the lip liner. Yeah, and then you're gonna grab any lip palette that you have, or if you have a nude gloss, a nude lipstick, you can make use of it as well. But then I am using this my palette, my cheek and lips palette. I'm going to be taking a very peachy kind of color. This is like a peachy nude color. I'll take it and I'll place that in the center of my lips, and then I'm going to be smack only the lip, only the lipstick. Do not smack the eyeliner just yet. Okay, as you are smacking your lips, make sure that you're only smacking, yeah, you get the point, only the middle of your lips. Another way you can do this is to use your hands, your finger, your index finger, your middle finger to blend this out instead of smacking it, so that you don't mess it up. So use your hands and then you blend this out just around your lip, just around your inside lips. Just do everything possible to ensure that lip liner that you applied earlier is still there. If the lipstick does get on the eyeliner, on the lip liner, and it starts to look invisible, you can go over the lip liner again, like you can draw another layer. Then I am going to be taking this this is like an orange color, something orange nude. It's like orange nude lip gloss. Yeah, it's very nude orange gloss. I'm going to take that and then I'm going to put it on the center of my lips, just where I applied that lipstick just now. Yeah, and then I'm going to focus on smacking the middle of my lips. I'm not smacking the lip liner, you guys. Yeah, so once I am done applying this orange gloss, nude gloss, I'm going to take a clear gloss. This is the one absolute lip gloss. Use any lip gloss that you have, okay? And then I'm going to focus this on my lip liner. This one, I'm focusing it on my lip liner. That's going to give it like a very good glow, and then it matches with the lip liner. I get the points. Yeah, then I focus this on the lip liner, and then I clean up any mess that I might made. And then I'm going to smack this, my upper lip liner and my lower lip liner. I'm going to smack together, just make sure that everything is well blended. And yeah, that's it. This is what I have. Very good, very nude, very sexy, very baddie lip liner, nude lip liner. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.